Continuing with question number 16. Rajat sold his washing machine for rupees 11,000 and earned 10% profit. So remember, this is the selling price, right? The profit they earn is 10%. Question is asking us to find the cost price of the washing machine. Okay, what was the cost price of the washing machine? Solution: I've written the selling price, I've also written the profit. Since we do not know the cost price, we'll take it to be equal to small a. Alright, so first thing we'll do is try to find the profit. Clear? So the question already gave us what is the profit? 10%, right? 10% of cost price, or 10% of the CP. Okay, since we don't know the CP, we're taking it to be small a, right? Then 10% simply means 10 by 100. So I can divide this and I'm going to get a by 10, the profit for now, right? Since here in this question we already know that he's earning a profit, we'll be using this second formula here. Okay, so you can see selling price equals CP plus profit. And also why we're using this, because remember the question already gave us the selling price to be equal to 11,000. We found a profit just now, right? Profit is how much? A by 10. All right, so that's why we'll be using the second formula. All right, now CP is how much? CP we took it to be equal to small a, right? Profit we got it now to be equal to a by 10. So I'm having what? A plus a by 10. So if I try to find the LCM, remember the 1 is here, right? So my LCM will obviously be 10, right? So what is the first numerator I have? I have small a, so I'm writing it down. Then a into 1, how many times the 10? 1, 10, right? Again, next numerator is a, so plus a again. Then 10, how many times the 10? 10 ones are 10, which means if I multiply a into 10, I'll have here 10a plus a by 10, right? Then 10a plus a, I'm going to have 11a by 10. Okay, so you can see here that is how we got 11a by 10. But now, like I said, they've already given us the selling price, right? So in place of SP, I'm going to put the value. What is the selling price? 11,000, right? So you can see here 11,000. Clear? Next, we'll do cross multiplication. This 10 is in the denominator, it will go up in the numerator, right? And again, once again, when you look here, 11a is here, right? But remember, I only need a, so this 11 will go down to the denominator. Okay, then I'm having what there? I'm having 11,000 into 10 divided by 11 equals a, right? And 11 ones 11, 11 ones are 11. So I'll have here 1000 into 10, which when I multiply, I'm going to get it to be small a, or the cost price equals to be 10,000. Okay, so that is how we got the cost price. Hence, the cost price of the washing machine was rupees 10,000. So this was profit. Let's do what happens when there is a loss. Okay, Aniket sold his TV for rupees 9,000 and earns a loss of 10%. So like I said, this time it will be loss, right? So selling price is 9,000, loss is 10%. Once again, let the cost price of the TV be equal to small a. So now we know, right? He got a loss. So let's find this. Okay, how much the 10% of loss. Okay, so loss equals 10% of CP. Since we don't know, once again, small a, right? I can divide this and this. 1 into a, I'm going to have loss equals 10 by a. So again, we'll be using here this third formula. Okay, selling price equals CP minus loss. Why? Because we already know the SP, right? Selling price is already given to us. We also found the loss to be equal to a by 10, which means we can find CP. Okay, so for now we took CP to be equal to small a, right? Then loss is, again, we got it from here, a by 10. So like our previous question again, a minus a by 10. Remember, 1 is here, right? If I find the LCM, it will simply be 10. So what is the first numerator? A again. So a, 1, how many times the 10? 1, 10. Then next is minus a. Then 10, how many times are 10? 10, 1s are 10, right? Then a into 10, I'll have here 10a, a into 1, a, then by 10. So 10a minus a, I'll have here 9a by 10, which you can already see. So now we'll replace this selling price by how much? Selling price is 9,000. Okay, so in the next step, you can already see here 9,000, right? Now let's do the cross multiplication. So I'm just repeating this part again. All right, okay, so now what happens here? This 10 will go up and then this 9 will go down, right? So 10 is up here, and then like I said, this 9 will go down. So I'm going to have what? 9,000 into 10 divided by 9 equals a. So 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. So I'm going to have here again, once again, 1,000 into 10 equals a. So if I multiply, I'm going to get it to be 10,000, right? Which means the cost price of the TV was 10 rupees 10,000.